Good morning children, we'll continue from the last video. This is the 11th chapter, time. In that I am solving story sums. Here you can see only the questions and answer. I am using the Microsoft Word and explaining you this. Okay, so I can't see you here. Now I am solving the C question, that is story sum. First question I am going to read it now. First question, Deepak can swim 100 meter in 3 minutes 15 seconds and Atul in 2 minutes 55 seconds. Who is faster and by how many seconds? So by seeing the time we can come to know who is the faster. Who is faster? Atul is the faster because he has reached within a 2 minutes and 55 seconds. But Deepak is 3 minutes and 15 seconds he has taken. So Atul is the faster. But how much, that we have to, by subtracting, will come to know. So by how much will come to know like this. So now we have to subtract 3 minutes 15 seconds to 2 minutes 55 seconds. Now from 15 seconds to 55 seconds we can subtract? No. We'll take the help of 3. So now 3 will become, we'll take the help of minutes. Minutes. So 3 minutes will become 2 minutes because it will give the 1 minute. 1 minute in the sense 60. So 60 plus 15 is the 75. Now 15 will become 75. So now 75 minus 55 is the 20. Now 2 minus 2 is the 0. So 2 minus 2 is the 0. Now, so Atul is faster than Deepak by 20 seconds. Yes. Next one. The non-stop driving time from Hyderabad to Bangalore is 8 hours 10 minutes. If bus stops for 55 minutes on the way for lunch, how long does it take to reach the Bangalore? So one bus is going, it will take 8 hours 10 minutes to reach the Bangalore. But if the bus stops for lunch, it will take 55 minutes. It means we should add the time. So now 10 minutes 55 we should add. So 10 minutes plus 55 minutes is the 65 minutes. Answer is the 65 minutes. But we should not write more than 60 here in the minute because 65 we should expand. 60 plus 5. 60 is the 1 hour. That 1 hour should write here. So now 1 will go here and only will 5 remains. So the minute is 5. Now we should add this. 8 plus 1 is the 9. So answer is 9 hours 5 minutes. To reach Bangalore it will take 9 hours 5 minutes. Now next question. Third one. Third one is Lata watches to television programs every day. She watches a cartoon program for 45 minutes and a sports program for 30 minutes. How much time does she spend watching television every day? So, Lata watches every day television and she watches 2 programs that I have expressed in the table. So, here 2 programs she is going to watch. Here what we have to do? Addition or the subtraction? Addition, because we are calculating total time. How much time she will watch the TV, that we are going to calculate. So now now how many minutes is the total? Here her is not there, only minutes is there. So 45 minutes for one program and 30 minutes for another program. So 45 plus 30 is the 15. It's not a 15, it's a 75. In the 75 we have to divide hers, that is 75 we can write 60 plus 15. So 60 is the 1 hour. So that 1 hour we are going to write in the hour table. So 45 plus 30 is the 15. It means 75 is dividing with the 75 we are regrouping with the hours and minutes. So 16 plus 15. So total minutes is the 15 and hour is the 1. So total how much she is watching? 1 hour 15 minutes she is watching the TV. The last question is fourth one. The drive from Delhi to Jaipur is 6 hours 20 minutes. Shatabdi Express from Delhi to Jaipur takes 4 hours 25 minutes. How much time will a person save if she travels by Shatabdi Express instead of driving? So one person is driving from Delhi to Jaipur. The time it will take is 6 hours 20 minutes. But if we will travel from Shatabdi Express, it will take only 4 hours 25 minutes. So how much time she can save? So here what we have to do? Here we have to do the subtraction. So 6 hours 20 minutes I have written in the table, and 4 hours 25. From 6 hours 20 minutes to we have to subtract 4 minutes 25, 4 hours 25 minutes. So now look at this table. From 20 I can't subtract 25. So what I will do, I'll take the help of hours. 6 hours will give 1 hour to the minute. So it will become 60 plus 20, that is 80 minutes. 6 hours means 1 hour means 60 minutes. So 60 plus 20 is the 80. So instead of subtracting on 20, I will subtract from 80. So 80 minus 25 is the 55. Now 6 will become 5. Now 5 minus 4 is the 1. 5 minus 4 is 1. So how much time she can save? 1 hour 55 minutes. 1 hour 55 minutes she can save by traveling Shatabdi Express. Thank you, children.